Sebata Tawana, a participant from South Africa. I'm here to elaborate more on how works. I've started by explaining what is It is a social network where participants help each other financially. Gives community members financial freedom. MM's goal is not money. I'm also going to explain how works. How does it work? In participants provide each other with money to reach their daily goals. There's no central account for participants. Participants help each other on their free will. Everybody gains. I'll also continue by explaining how does survives. Works because there are many participants wanting to help one another. Therefore, the more the participants, the longer it will survive. survives because money does not belong to a certain individual. Participants own the money. I'll also explain finally the goals of Goals of are financial freedom, plan for the better future, happy relations. Thank you.